First, let me know your introduction, please.
Hello everyone.
A little louder, okay?
Hello everyone. Good morning. My name is Neha Kumari. I read in class 10th. I am the student of rural English classes. My father's name is Mr. Pramod Kumar Chaudhary. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Mrs. Kavita Devi. She is a simple housewife. I live at Ladania.
Okay, good, very, very good. So now, the way we are doing, so these people going to ask you questions from the audience, okay? So now the first question is from Risu. So what was your question, please?
Why are you very talkative?
Okay, so he's asking you, why are you like talkative? I mean, you're so talkative, right? So why is that so? Please, again, okay, look, take your time, think, okay, wisely, and then speak, right? And you also should go slow. So now tell me, why are you so talkative?
I like to talk
Okay.
and I want to talk with my friends.
But yeah, I mean, I have seen you always talk with your friends even in class. So this is not a good approach. So tell me. You are very talkative because you like to talk. You want to talk with your friends, and
Um,
this has also become your habit.
I'm too friendly girl.
Okay. You're too friendly and you make friends easily, right?
Yes.
And as you had told me that all the girls from your coachings, what are your friend?
Yes.
Okay, and how do you make so much friends? Like all of the girls, like all are your friends?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, I mean it is very obvious for you to be talkative, I guess. So tell me. Don't worry, just take your time, think, and then you can speak. Okay. So you said you're very talkative. What? Because you just want to talk, you like to talk, and there could be something else.
I
Right?
can talk anyone.
You can talk with
Anyone.
anyone. That's good. So this is your what? Hidden talent.
I feel comfortable.
You feel comfortable.
Yes.
With anyone.
Yes.
Seriously.
Yes.
Good. I mean, you're just like friendly kind of girl.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, you just mentioned this, okay? Yeah, that's such a good answer, I guess, because you're friendly, you like to talk, and you want to make friends, a lot of friends, okay? So good. And the next question is from whom? Yes, Prince?
I have no question.
Okay, you will have to just think, okay? You have to think, and I will ask you again. So please, Choti, you want to ask something? Anything? Okay, yes. Why you click so much pictures? This is good.
Win.
Okay, this is good. Okay, I mean, look, this is a good question. After all, she's a girl, and girls always like to click pictures, and that is good. Nothing bad in that. I mean, look, there are many boys who also click a lot of pictures, right? A lot of pictures. So you tell me, why do you click so much pictures?
I like to click many pictures.
And what kind of pose and what kind of like pictures, like selfie?
Selfie.
Or only selfie?
Yes.
And aesthetic?
Yes.
Especially. So what do you mean by aesthetic? तुम aesthetic के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? मतलब कि क्या है और अच्छा लगता है कि क्यों लगता है वो चीज़ें?
Because इसमें होता है ना hidden face.
हाँ, you can just say in this picture we usually portray a hidden pose
Hidden
or hidden
pose.
face pose. Yes. Yes. Okay, just skip this now. The next question, please. Who knows? Yes, Prem, what's the question?
Please don't be this question.
Any question?
Please don't be this question.
Okay, tell me.
Why is Neha short hiding?
Okay, yes. Sorry? Okay, yeah, this is a good question. Look, look, what do you think about your height? Like, is it really concerning?
No, my height is good.
Yes, and you should be proud on this, right?
Yes,
So
my
you-
height is 5 feet.
5 foot.
Yes.
And that's not bad, that's good. That's good,
Five,
okay.
तुम्हारा है.
Only 5.
Okay,
मेरा
alright.
5'1" है.
Doesn't mean, okay? Here, look. So you can just answer this question in a well manner, okay? So whatever God has given me, it's not bad. 5 foot now. This is the common height for girls now in India. No, not common. 5'4", not common. Common is just 5. 5, 5'1". So maybe you will find even girls whose height is only 4'8", 4'9", 4'10". Yes. So you can just take names, and she will come tomorrow and she will just kill you on the face. Yes. No, not that. Okay. So yes, your question, please. Question for her. You can ask me in Hindi. All right. I'll ask her. Yes.
क्या
Black. Black.
In space.
क्या
Black hole. This is such a universal question. It's out of. Okay, so what do you think? Okay, look, it looks like you are very kind of aesthetic person, right? So what do you think about black people? You like them or you hate them, or you just?
No, I like black people.
Yes, you like black people.
इतना भी नहीं.
Okay, like I don't like so much.
I don't like
people,
so much black people.
Okay.
And a little bit I like black people.
Okay, you only just few people.
Yes.
In your friends only.
I have no friends black people.
Okay, you have no any friends who is black.
Yes.
So.
No. Choti is black. सच में छोटी black.
Yeah, you are blackest. You are blackest. You were born black. Anyway, this is just for fun. Okay, don't take it to heart. Okay. Even if you take it to heart, you cannot do anything because this is your face, this is your color, so it doesn't make big difference. Okay. So why do you not like black people so much? Yes. Why do you not like? I mean, they're also human.
All people.
And what do you think? You're fair? You're white people or what?
I like white people.
Okay.
I like white people.
But you're not white. You're brown.
No.
You're white.
Yes.
It is not called white. You are brown. We become, her. Okay. More than brown and less than white.
ये कितना क्वेश्चन पूछता है?
Yes.
Question.
Yes, Raja.
2. Why her height is not good?
Okay. The same person was like.
My height will grow.
Okay.
I know.
When
I think so.
I have a question. You have.
तुम मत पूछो ना अब इधर ये
You
सुना
want to
पूछिए.
tall?
Yes.
You want to tall?
You want to be.
You want to be tall? Your height is now short, and you want to long heighted. Is in future time you want to tall?
Okay, you come in Hindi. Okay.
Okay sir. तुम अपने हाइट को मतलब कि तुम अपने हाइट को बढ़ाना चाहती हो.
Yes.
जो अभी तुम्हारा हाइट है उससे
हाँ. थोड़ा सा इधर है.
you are satisfied your height.
No.
It's all right. Complaint doesn't do anything.
Prince, तुम्हारा भी हाइट इतना ही छोटा है. हमसे तो
All
छोटा
right.
ही है.
And it's all right. Okay. Now, yes. What was your question?
Can you about your filter?
Sorry.
Can you about filter?
Can you filter?
Filter.
Okay. So you like filters, right?
No.
Okay. Which is your favorite filter?
Hidden face.
Face, not face. Filter. Filter.
Hidden filter.
Is this filter? I mean.
Yes.
कहाँ पे होता है ये?
होता है.
कहाँ? Like where is this filter? Where I can find?
मोबाइल.
Okay. Why do you
ये
like?
पूछ रही हो.
Why do you like filters? Yes.
filter यूज नहीं करते. I do not use filter.
I'm not saying anything. You are laughing because you're just saying you don't use filter. So why do you like filter? Maybe you want to be more and more fairy and white.
Yes.
Okay. So like why don't you just apply this white paint? Will be pure white. Just apply this white paint on your face.
No. You applied in your face.
No, I'm good. I'm black and I'm good. I'm brown. I'm good. Even if I'm bad, white, I'm good. Sorry.
अब छोटी पूछेगी.
Yes, sorry. Oh yes, such a good question. They are roasting you, you know. Actually, they are not asking questions, but they are roasting you. Okay, tell me about mathematics. What is the situation? What's the condition? He is no more.
I don't like maths.
Mathematics is no more.
I don't like maths.
Yes.
But I like थोड़ा क्या होता है? I like little bit maths because you teach me.
Okay.
And I like maths.
You like math.
Yes.
So do you really understand maths? You know, I have heard that most of the students do not like maths, right? You like maths? Yeah, I mean that's why I'm telling you. None of you guys like mathematics, right? So you tell me, do you like maths but little bit, right? Okay. So in your future, would you like to continue your further education with maths
No.
because you think it's hard?
Yes. Maths is very very.
So do you
hard.
understand 10th mathematics?
Yes.
Do you really
Little
understand?
bit.
Little bit. So
No.
may I ask you something?
No.
Okay, all right. So now it is going so well. Okay, and look. So you should not have any problem with this. Listen. And this is okay. Okay, whatever you have been asked, like about your height, it's okay, right? It's just for fun. And like we all are here, brothers and sisters, right? Like, क्या होता है प्रस्तावना में? Stop. So now you can say thank you
Thank you.
and just